How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get white teeth, step-by-step tips. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you guys get white teeth? If you guys look at my teeth, they're pure white. So I obviously know how to get white teeth. What do I do? How do I get the white teeth? What you have to do is called oil pulling. I've been doing this for the last 8 years. It is insane. All you have to do, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, swish it in front of your mouth like this for 30 seconds and then spit it out. You're gonna do this once in the morning, once at night. So first thing in the morning, brush your teeth, then oil pull 30 seconds, spit it out. At night, brush your teeth, floss, then do the oil pulling for 30 seconds. This is by far the best way to get white teeth. Within 2 to 3 days, your yellow teeth will get a little bit whiter. Within a week or two, they'll be pure white. The reason why this is so good too is because it's healthy for the teeth. It doesn't damage the enamel on the teeth. A lot of these things nowadays, they're bad for the teeth, like really, really bad for your teeth. You might get white teeth, but they're really, really bad for your teeth. This oil pulling is very, very healthy. It's not bad for your teeth at all. It works. And it's amazing, you guys. It is simply amazing and it works. I've helped many friends do it. I've helped probably over 10 friends. Wanted white teeth. I got them white teeth, like I said, in a week or two, they were pure white. This is all you have to do. You guys do this, you will 100% get white teeth. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.